In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to use these to make this. We'll show you how to build a beautiful fixed shade pendant with our fixed shade cord hardware kit in 1/8 IPS. Here's a few tools you'll need to complete this project. These are the 1/8 IPS parts you'll receive when purchasing this kit. 2 knurled nuts, 1 female barrel cord grip, 1 1-inch all-thread nipple, 1 metal washer, and 2 silicone washers. Please note that the knurled nuts, cord grip, and metal washer are available in 6 different finishes. You'll also need a socket of your choice, optional socket cover, and either a plug-in power whip or some of our 18-gauge DIY cord by the foot with a ceiling canopy. And of course, the reason we're all here, using the hardware kit to secure a shade. Please note that you can use this cord hardware kit with any type of shade that has a 1/8 IPS opening. The first step is to get each individual piece of the kit on the correct side of your shade. Let's first take the female barrel cord grip and feed it onto the end of the cord with the threaded interior facing the exposed conductor wires, followed by 1 knurled nut. Then the metal washer and 1 of the silicone washers. These 4 pieces of the kit will be on the outside top of your shade. Next, feed the exposed ends of the cord through the 1/8 IPS opening of the glass. Then take the other silicone washer and the other knurled nut and feed it onto the cord. Now it's time to wire the socket using the 1-inch all-thread nipple. Slide the all-thread nipple onto the cord like the other pieces of the kit, followed by your optional socket cover. Loosen the ground screw on the socket cap and also feed that onto the cord. If you need more in-depth details on how to wire a medium base socket, please see our step-by-step tutorial titled How to Wire a Medium Base Basic Socket. Once you've wired your socket, you can slide the all-thread nipple down and thread it into the top of the socket cap. Then if you're using a socket cover, slide it over the nipple and socket. Thread the knurled nut onto the all-thread as tight as you can. This will make sure the socket is secure and won't spin when screwing in a light bulb. Lastly, push the silicone washer down over the all-thread, flush against the knurled nut. Now take your cord and feed your wired socket back up to the inside top of the glass. This is where you'll assemble the kit all together, securing the shade in place. Feed the all-thread through the top opening of the glass and slide the other silicone washer onto the all-thread nipple, followed by the metal washer. Then thread the other knurled nut onto the all-thread as tight as you can. Thread the female barrel cord grip onto the all-thread nipple until it feels tight and secure. And finally, tighten down the set screw on the cord grip for another level of security. The result should look like this. Now it's time to plug in or hardwire your fixed shade pendant and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and reach out to us if you have any questions.